Welcome to the Monday edition of Tech Stocks Daily. Today, we've got a whirlwind of updates buzzing from the NASDAQ. Ever wonder how CrowdStrike's grappling with lawsuits and a congressional roasting? Or what Parsons is cooking up in space traffic management? We're diving deep. And the drama doesn't stop. Google's whopping $1 billion bet on Thailand's digital future will blow your mind. And let's not forget OPRA, making waves on Zacks ranked #1 in best value stocks lists. Buckle up, tech enthusiasts. It's a jam-packed, juicy ride through today's tech stock headlines. Hey tech enthusiasts, today we're diving deep into the buzzing world of CrowdStrike Holdings. This cloud-based cybersecurity giant has been making waves, and not necessarily the good kind. Let's break it down. First up, big money is moving in CrowdStrike's options market. Our friends at Benzinga caught wind of 56 unusual options trades today, with investors split between 32% bullish and 51% bearish. In layman's terms, that means a lot of people think CrowdStrike stock is set to drop. Out of these 56 trades, we saw 15 puts worth almost $1.9 million and 41 calls at a whopping $3.25 million. Major market players are targeting a price range between $110 and $570 for CrowdStrike, with the company currently grappling with some tricky numbers. Speaking of grappling, CrowdStrike got itself in some hot water. 2 lawsuits were recently filed against the company. First, Levi and Korsinski, LLP, have issued a class action lawsuit notifying investors who suffered losses due to what they claim was a securities fraud. According to them, from November 2023 to July 2024, CrowdStrike allegedly made false statements and didn't disclose serious risks with updating their core product, the Falcon platform. These alleged deficiencies meant inadequate testing could lead to major outages for customers, a foreseeable disaster that actually happened, tanking their stock price, leading to huge losses for investors during that period. Now let's talk congressional drama. Hagens Berman, a law firm also involved in litigation against CrowdStrike, has alerted investors of today's lead plaintiff deadline. Congressional interrogation. Hagens reported that adamant lawmakers recently grilled CrowdStrike after a malfunctioning update led to mass disruptions. A poorly configured automatic update on July 19, 2024, triggered what's whimsically referred to as the blue screen of death on millions of Windows devices. It disrupted crucial services worldwide, everything from businesses to hospitals. This nightmare update resulted in 8.5 million downed computers globally. Delta Airlines, a high-profile victim, had to cancel over 6,000 flights and hire a high-powered attorney to seek damages, a sign they're not convinced by apologies issued by CrowdStrike's senior VP, Adam Myers. Myers admitted the snafu, but reassurances that it wouldn't happen again didn't pacify the wrath of Congress. House Homeland Security Committee Chairman Mark Green minced no words, pointing out systemic failures and emphasizing that such pregnant risks couldn't be tolerated. Considering the knee-knocking congressional dressing down and the court battles looming, shares of CrowdStrike have fallen around 16% since their dark spiraling update fiasco. Whistleblowers are now being highly encouraged to come forward with non-public information to help with the ongoing investigations. The SEC is offering potential rewards for anyone who takes this bold step. All right, folks, that wraps up our deep dive into CrowdStrike today. Stay secure and stay tuned as we keep you updated on all surface and subsurface movements in the tech world. All right, tech enthusiasts, buckle up because today's spotlight is on Parsons Corporation. Trust me, they've been busy making headlines, and we've got the scoop right here. First and foremost, Parsons has achieved a major milestone for the NOAA's Traffic Coordination System for Space program. They delivered Phase 1.0 of the project, which is a big deal. The TraCSS program is constantly being developed for the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration's Office of Space Commerce. What makes TraCSS so essential is its ability to provide space situational awareness and space traffic coordination services to private and civil space operators. Imagine it as the world's most advanced traffic control system, but for space. Parsons has introduced the initial capabilities release, allowing a beta user community to start accessing conjunction data messages. This milestone is significant as TraCSS is now running alongside the Department of Defense's systems. Essentially, it's setting the foundation for the future shift of the safety of space traffic missions from DoD to the Department of Commerce. Mike Cushion, the president of Defense and Intelligence at Parsons, really underscored how vital this development is for the safety of our space environment. He mentioned that this system aims to navigate and deconflict congested space traffic, a challenge that's becoming increasingly important as the number of space assets grows exponentially. Moreover, Dmitry Poisik, the TraCSS program manager, highlighted the importance of the strong partnership between Parsons and the OSC, which was key to launching this reliable and modern system. This foundational platform is designed to improve space traffic coordination for potentially thousands of space vehicles, ensuring safe operations and helping preserve the space environment. What's also interesting is that Parsons is not stopping at just building this system. They're also taking on roles in system integration, cybersecurity, and cloud management services. This comprehensive approach ensures that TraCSS remains agile and adaptable to evolving mission needs. With over 30 years of experience in space situational awareness, Parsons clearly knows their stuff. having provided end-to-end customized mission solutions to meet the rapid demands of the US government and allied partners. But wait, there's more. Parsons is also set to announce their third quarter 2024 financial results on October 30th, 2024. They'll be releasing these results before the market opens and will follow up with a conference call at 8 a.m. Eastern Time to discuss earnings and strategic initiatives. You can catch the live webcast of the call through the Investor Relations section of Parsons' website. If you're unable to make it, don't worry. A replay will be available on their site around 2 hours after the conference call and will remain accessible for a year. So, whether you're interested in cutting-edge space technology or investment insights, Parsons is the name you need to know today. Keep an eye out for their next moves. This company is clearly reaching for the stars. Hey tech enthusiasts, ready to dive into today's Google news? Grab your popcorn because it's a doozy. First up, Google is making big waves in Thailand. The tech giant just dropped a whopping $1 billion investment in the country to build a new data center and accelerate artificial intelligence growth. That's right, Google's setting up shop in Chonburi, an eastern province known for its picturesque beaches. But we're here for the data, not the sandcastles. So, why is Google doing this now? Well, the company is under fierce competition from the likes of Microsoft and OpenAI in the AI arena. Google's move to plant a data hub in Thailand isn't just a random act of tech philanthropy. It's a strategic push to anchor itself firmly in Asia, which happens to have a booming digital economy. According to a 2023 report by E-Economy SEA, Thailand's digital economy is valued at the second largest in Southeast Asia and is expected to reach $50 billion by 2025. Jackie Wong, head of Google Thailand, spilled the beans in a blog post saying this project is about much more than wires and servers. The investment aims to supercharge Google Cloud and AI innovations while also boosting popular services like Google Search, Maps, and Workspace in Thailand. Beyond infrastructure, Google's investment seeks to unlock new opportunities for businesses, educators, and citizens across the country. In Wong's words, as AI transforms industries, it is more important than ever to educate and upskill Thais to use this technology. Looks like schools and companies in Thailand are about to get a big tech upgrade. But wait, there's more. Google's grip on the search engine market may be ironclad, but it is feeling heat from emerging generative AI tools like OpenAI's ChatGPT. So it's about time Google flexes its muscles in the AI sector further. The company even filed an antitrust lawsuit against Microsoft recently, accusing it of abusing its dominant position in the cloud industry to stifle competition. Talk about drama in the tech world. In case you're wondering what this data center hubbub means for everyday users, data centers are like the backstage crew of the digital world. Without them, there would be no spotlight for your favorite online services. Google's Thai data center will help scale the growing demand for cloud computing, a technology that allows you to store, analyze, and manipulate data over the internet instead of local hard drives. It's like having a cloud genie granting your digital wishes. To wrap things up, Google's hefty investment in Thailand signals a robust commitment to expanding both its cloud infrastructure and AI capabilities in a rapidly growing digital market. It's not just an investment in tech, it's an investment in people and opportunity. There you have it, a colossal $1 billion move by Google, all for the future of AI and cloud computing in Thailand. Stick around for more tech tidbits. Hey tech enthusiasts, buckle up because today we've got some juicy stock tips for you, and leading the charge is none other than OPRA Limited. The internet technology company has made waves today by grabbing a spot on 2 coveted lists, Zacks ranked number 1 and best value stocks to buy. Trust me, when a stock makes it on both of these lists, you've got to sit up and take notice. Why the buzz around OPRA today? First off, OPRA has impressed analysts enough to see the Zacks consensus estimate for its current year earnings jump by 12.8% over the last 60 days. That's no small feat. This robust upward revision in earnings estimates signals not just strong past performance, but solid expectations for future gains. It's like OPRA is that favorite student who keeps acing every test and making you believe they're headed for valedictorian status. But wait, there's more. Not only is OPRA a strong buy, but it also shines as a value stock. This means it's scoring points for being economically attractive compared to its peers. With a price-to-earnings ratio of just 17.02 compared to the industry average of 18.80, OPRA is practically offering a discount sale in the world of stocks. And who doesn't love a good deal, right? So what makes OPRA all that and a bag of chips? Well, the company is renowned for its innovative web browser solutions and has expanded its products to offer a range of tools geared towards improving the digital experience for users. From streamlining internet searches with low data consumption to securing online activities, OPRA's got its fingers in many lucrative pies. Plus, their move into fintech and the gaming sector has been well received, promising diversified revenue streams. It's like OPRA is multiplying itself like browser tabs on a procrastinator's computer screen. Options, options, and more options. And let's talk value scores for a second. OPRA has a value score of B, meaning it's not just affordable, but also deemed a good investment in the long run. It's like that balanced diet we all read about, but rarely commit to. Great for today, and even better for tomorrow. Another stock, Pampa Energia, came in with a value score of A. But let's not get sidetracked. Today is all about the bright future that OPRA is orchestrating. So before we sign off, we want to hear from you. What do you think about OPRA Limited's promising performance and value status? Are you already a proud stockholder, or are you thinking about diving into this digital dynamo? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and let's get the conversation buzzing. Your insights could help fellow tech enthusiasts and investors, so don't hold back. All right, that's it for now. Remember folks, the tech world is always shifting, and staying informed is your best strategy for making smart moves. Hit like, share, and subscribe if you found this segment insightful. Until next time, keep riding that tech wave. All right, Tech Tribe, whilst there's a mountain of info to dig through, let's zero in on one hot topic today, CrowdStrike. Now let's get serious about what to do with their stock. Should you buy, sell, or hold? Given recent events, I'd play it cautiously and suggest you hold CrowdStrike stock. Here's why. 1. Mixed market signals. Those 56 unusual options trades, 32% bullish and 51% bearish, indicate conflicting market sentiments. People seem to be on the fence, so better be a cautious tightrope walker here too. Number 2. Litigation limbo. The lawsuits, including Levi and Korsinski's securities fraud claims and the disaster from the blue screen of death fiasco, are real red flags. Legal battles can sap a company's resources and hurt its reputation. Imagine having courtroom drama hanging over your investments like season 12 of a never-ending courtroom series. It could get ugly, folks. 3. Major mishap memory. The July 19th update disaster wasn't just a tiny hiccup, it was a volcano blowing its top. The catastrophic malfunction led to millions of disrupted devices and thousands of canceled flights, hitting industries that rely heavily on continuous reliable services. This isn't easy to forget and might keep investors jittery for a while. Number 4. Congressional crosshairs. With lawmakers' scrutiny, CrowdStrike needs more than just a band-aid for its wounds. It needs a whole new medical team to reassure investors and customers that this won't be a recurring event. Every time you mess up on a national platform, expect some long-term, be-real repercussions. However, let's not dig their grave just yet. Have you seen their past performance in cybersecurity? They're not here by accident, and they have a knack for bouncing back. Plus, if they can successfully navigate these stormy legal seas and tech trouble zones, their resilience may catapult them back into investor favor. That's why, for now, hold on to your shares. Let's watch how they handle this turbulence, analyze their next moves, and perch on the fence for now. Always remember, invest smart and do your own research. Look at guidance from multiple sources before making any call. The tech battlefield is rife with both hidden mines and golden opportunities. Catch you all in the next tech ride. What a whirlwind day on the NASDAQ, tech enthusiasts. From CrowdStrike's roller coaster of options trades and legal battles, Parsons' stellar advancements in space traffic management, Google's billion-dollar bet on Thailand's digital future, to OPRA's impressive analyst nods, it's been a feast of tech tidbits. If you enjoyed this quick tech catch-up, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and share this video with your fellow tech junkies. And don't miss tomorrow's update. We've got more exciting developments brewing on the tech horizon. Keep riding that tech wave.